What is up, you guys? So today we are gonna be duping an ammo company, duping pumpkins the glitched way. Well, I'm gonna cut out the glitch thing for you guys so no one sees it, and I'm gonna be giving away those pumpkins to people at maybe the end of the video. So let's get finding people and other codes. For extra stuff.
That pumpkin's mine.
All the money talks.
No, not yet. I gotta get these over here so they don't steal them.
okay.
I don't want them taking them. Yo, don't take the pumpkin, bro.
I'm gonna put it over there. Oh wait, there's something here already. Right?
Alright, let's see.
Dude, how much does he give us?
Money.
Imagine it's only one. Okay. Pretty reasonable amount.
It's not even 1K yet.
I know.
Why are they so Oh.
Why do
Keep dupe them.
I know, I am.
Alright.
Okay, do these ones too. Do these ones too.
Pumpkin giveaways outside of spawn.
If I want to, I can get a full bag of big keys. I don't want to.
What the heck? I was gonna show you the full. I got a full bag.
Hey, pumpkin. Okay, someone open them. Open all of them. No, stop them. Kill the pumpkins. Oh,
Can someone trade this?
Give me that. Give me this pumpkin. Ooh. Dump some more.
Who wants to trade for this pumpkin?
Who wants to trade for this pumpkin? Some more.
Guys, I'm making a video about this. I'm recording right now. So, yeah.
Okay.
What is that on the bone?
Pumpkin giveaway. 3, 2, 1.
Drop some more.
Oh, is this mine?
More.
Okay. I don't know how my back dropped.
What's the trade?
Click all of them. Click all of them. Click all of them.
open all of them.
Stop opening them.
Guys, since people's opening it, so I'm not gonna give away in the server now.
Come to start and trade. Can I join your server?
Oh dang, I feel bad. Am I stuck in here? Okay.
Visible. Yeah.
I'm out of here. Huh? Yo, you have another one? Cool. I have one too.
Pumpkin giveaway outside of spawn. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm back.
I have the gun for Russian roulette.
Yo, I want to be.
Oh, cool. I want to fight the
Chicken.
Yo, thank you for the pumpkin.
Yo!
I'm gonna put this in my inventory. Thanks
Lessons
for the
learned.
It was so
Giant
laggy.
fish are mean.